With Russia trying new simple solution they hope will change the battlefield, as they don't have any effective protection against Ukraine's drone army. They continue to come up with new protection they add on their armored vehicles, while they often add little real protection, sometimes making it worse as the smoke gives away your position and your best protection is being hidden. Russia doesn't reflect on their strategy, with video after video showing destroyed vehicles, with Russia sometimes themselves filming their equipment getting destroyed, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.